Hi guys, Mrnewmobile here. Please subscribe followed by the bell. You can also show me some love by thanks, I will really appreciate. So, the iQOO 11 series of flagship smartphones in its domestic Chinese market. The series consists of two models, the iQOO 11 and the iQOO 11 Pro. Both of these devices feature the cutting-edge Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 chipset along with a bunch of top-of-the-line hardware. So, let's take a look at the devices in more detail. Snapdragon 8 Gen 2. LPDDR5X memory. UFS 4.0 flash memory, 128GB is UFS 3.1. Large area stainless steel stamped VC vapor chamber 4013 mm superscript 2. Total heat dissipation area 24768 mm superscript 2. 6.78 inches OLED display. 3200 by 1440 resolution. Samsung E6 display. 144 Hz refresh rate. LTPO 4.0. Peak brightness 1800 nit. 1440 Hz high frequency PWM dimming. JNCD is almost equal to 0.26, Delta E is almost equal to 0.30. Self-developed XDR display engine. 16 MP selfie camera. Triple rear camera, 50 MP main camera. 8 MP super wide angle. 13 MP telephoto. Vivo's V2 chip. The iQOO 11 comes with a 5000 mAh battery and 120W fast charging capabilities. A smaller 4700 mAh battery powers the 11 Pro 5G, however, it supports 200W fast charging, 50W wireless charging, and 10W reverse wireless charging. The latest Android 13 operating system is pre-installed on both devices, with iQOO's Origin OS Forest layered on top. Color, track version, legendary version, and Isle of Man special edition, track version. 8.4mm thick, weights 208 g, 8.72mm thick, weight 205 g. NFC, infrared remote control, optical fingerprint. Dual X-axis linear motors. In-display fingerprint. Stereo dual speakers. It has different configurations options such as 8GB RAM plus 128GB storage option. 8GB RAM plus 256GB storage option. 12GB RAM plus 256GB storage option. 16GB RAM plus 256GB storage option. 16GB RAM plus 512GB storage option. iQOO 11 Pro 5G is all set to deliver consistent performance with the help of its flagship chipset, 8GB RAM and a powerful, long-lasting battery profile. Moreover, you can also rely on the same for an amazing camera composition, attractive visuals and vast internal storage. That is it guys, without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here please subscribe, like the video, comment. Thanks for watching, see you on my next video, peace out.